Welcome to Joseph IT. Today we will learn how to back up PC drivers and restore them easily after setting up Windows using a light tool called SlimDrivers. Search for SlimDrivers on Google and download it. Now install it as shown. SlimDriver is successfully installed. Now come to backup. All the drivers are shown here. You need to back up all. But I am choosing only display and network drivers. Creating a folder on desktop for this backup. All the drivers are backed up. Now, when I need to restore them, I will just come to Restore. And then we'll locate the folder I created the backup in. It's saying unable to backup, because all my drivers are okay and the restore is not working in my PC. But it will surely work in yours after the clean setup is done. You can also scan the system to know if all the drivers are updated or not. Hope you found this video useful. Please be with us and also subscribe to Inspire. Goodbye.